right? Well, what happens is you are at home working, or you're working on a contract or an offer, and you do it on your home computer. Then you go to work, and in order to get the contract or the document or whatever you're working on from your home to work, you have to email it, you have to put it on a flash drive, you have to do something. Well, between all of your devices now, documents start to get kind of thrown out. You don't know where they are, you don't know where you edited it last, you know, and the consumers never had this problem before because honestly we've never been able to afford to have so many devices that could hook to the web and do things like this. I mean, we didn't have the problem of, well, I have a computer at home, I have a computer at work, I have a computer in my car, I have a computer in my pocket. We've never had those problems. So, let's say I'm working on a flyer at home, and I want to work on it at work. Well, then I have to email it or move it to a flash drive, and then let's say I'm out and I have my laptop, I want to work on that flyer. Well, I can't work on that flyer because it's back at work. But then when I go home, the latest copy's at work, so I have to email it back. Everybody has this issue. I mean, you have documents everywhere. You have to move them and all this stuff. So what they've come out with is, they've named it the cloud. And all it really is the internet, but they call it the cloud, and it sits above all your devices, and it's one central location for everything. Meaning when you're creating your flyer here at home on your PC, as soon as you save it, or as soon as you do anything to it, it immediately moves it up into the cloud. It saves it in the cloud, which means it backs it up on the internet, so there's a copy online, and then it automatically syndicates it down to every device that you have. So if I create a flyer, as soon as I begin creating the flyer and I save the flyer, it automatically syndicates to everything. So right as soon as I'm done, I can pull out my cell phone and boom, I've got that document on my cell phone. Or I can pull out my laptop and I have it on my laptop. Or I just drive to work and boom, it's already at work. I didn't have to do anything to get it there. That's how cloud computing works.